Hi, my name is Steve Namrat. Today I'm going to talk about common mistakes new investors should avoid. We talked about this topic several times, but today I'm going to focus on working only on numbers. You have to buy right. Okay? Working on numbers, you have to buy right. In this business, we often say you have to buy right to make money. If you buy wrong, you're going to lose money when you exit. Okay? Let's talk about this. I understand, okay, when you start this real estate investment business, people are so excited. People feel like, I want to buy this house. I want to close a deal as soon as possible. I want to make money as soon as possible. I totally understand that kind of excitement. But at the same time, because of this kind of excitement, people sometimes make mistakes in buying right. Because sometimes you're gonna buy property with emotions. That's a big mistake. Okay, in this business, we are working only on numbers. Once again, we are working only on numbers. What kind of number we're talking about here? In this business, we have only two different type of business. You're gonna do flipping business, or you're gonna do rental business, leasing business. Either way, if you flip the properties, we're gonna flip the papers. You have to calculate in certain formula. If you buy rental properties, of course, you have to calculate if there's a cash flow or not. Okay, they are very simple but important formula. We don't talk about this content today, but I just emphasize you have to work on those numbers using those formulas. Especially when you flip the properties, many people make mistakes in finding after repair value. Okay, we have to find motivated sellers, right? This is a key to succeed in this business. You have to find motivated sellers. But sometimes you're gonna become a motivated buyer. This is a mistake. Okay, you have to work on numbers and then find out the mistake. You have to find motivated sellers, but you cannot become motivated buyers. That's a big mistake. Once again, when you buy a house and you're gonna thinking to flip the deal, you have to find correct after repair value. Also, another important number is repair cost. Okay, those two numbers are crucially important. When you buy rental properties, when you buy and fixing up and try to think rent those properties, you have to calculate if there's a cash flow or not. Okay, there are two different calculation system. You have to understand and working on numbers. Okay, people think this is the area, I like it. I like this property because I grew up in this area. Well, if you think that kind of things with the emotions, you're gonna make mistakes. Okay, once again, due diligence is important. Due diligence means you have to calculate those numbers correctly. Especially, you cannot you cannot overestimate of after repair value, or you cannot underestimate of repair cost. Okay, if you buy rental properties, already property are fixed and they already rented out. That's why you have to do such a serious home inspection. This is not just numbers, but this is extra due diligence you have to do. Okay, once again, you cannot do this business with emotions, only on numbers, only on numbers. Just keep in mind, if you like this video, please click like button, also subscribe button. Thank you.